200 metres to go. This is a very, very late one to be launched. And here goes Akkerman on the right-hand side now. Akkerman trying to get through and box out with the Philipsen. Through the centre, you can see everybody having a go. Turns on the right-hand side as well. But Groenewegen now hits the front with 50 metres to go. It's Groenewegen up against Jakobsen. Groenewegen, Jakobsen. Oh, Jakobsen into the bars. Absolutely hellish crash on the finish line as Dylan Groenewegen, we think, just got about across. Oh dear, that looks awful. Chaos at the finish line. And I'm afraid I have not seen anything like that for a long, long time. We all know, of course, what's happened in this race in the past.